Training day 2 complete. First one using the heart rate monitor. Had to keep heart rate up. Stayed around 150 some beats per minute for an hour and 15 minutes. So that was today's run. And that's all I got. Today is training day 2 for Joey Lass and I, getting ready for the Marine Corps Marathon this fall. Today's workout was an hour and 15 minute run at a just shy of moderate pace. They say a 4 to 5 out of 10 scale, and should maintain a heart rate about 20 to 30 beats per minute below your lactic threshold rate, which is your 60-minute heart rate. One of the things I'm learning with this, just like anything, understanding vocabulary is the first step in the game. If you're trying to get your finances under control, you need to understand budgeting, vocabulary. When you're getting into real estate, you need to standardize your real estate investment and real estate development vocabulary, because words mean things. And so if you're going to get better at something, you need to relate and communicate with people about that thing. You need to get wisdom, you need to get mentorship, you need to get guidance. And you're unable to have those conversations if you don't have basic vocabulary. So today's vocabulary was lactic threshold. And I don't know what my 60-minute pace is. So what I did was I took the Orange Theory pace, and I just got my heart rate in the orange, which is 84% or more of your estimated max heart rate. So close enough until I'll actually run some of these tests and get some baselines. And so I just kept 84% or more for an hour and 15 minutes. And that was training day 2. So stay tuned.